Alright, so back here on Miss Amy, Tom went out last night for a sunset cruise, and the lights start flickering. And it's all the lights, so that's telling us that it's the damn light switch. So, this is the one that was in the car. I mean, it's still hot. And now this is another aftermarket. Note the jumper difference compared to. And this is an original. And I'm talking old school Delco Remy original. So this one came out. We got this guy and we got this guy. We're gonna see what the hell is going on here. So first things first, this is what came out of the car. Like I said, that's going up there. I'm gonna try this aftermarket one first. See what we have going. All right, so doing my test for the first other aftermarket one. See, I made a ground for it. That ground is directly off the negative cable on the battery. But we can see we have no instrument lights at all. But everything else is good and consistent and not flashing or acting goofy. So I'm gonna try that OEM one. All right, so now we have our OEM switch. And we've got dash lighting, you can see it. You can see the glow. Everything there is working. Alright, let's try this switch. So the OEM switch, the lights stay on even with the external ground wire off, which is kind of good. I dig it. Lights are on. Let's give it a try.